Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to review this foundation for you by NYX. It's the HD Studio Photogenic Foundation. I thought how perfect underneath studio lights, how great to test it out, of course. And I am expecting with it being photogenic that it is not going to be natural. So if you are looking for a natural foundation, I'm guessing this might not be your forte. But it says on the back of here that the shade I got was Sand Beige, which I always go a little lighter than my skin tone because I like the bronzer. I like to pile it on. But it says that it's a high definition foundation. It's light diffusing ingredients blur skin imperfections and create the appearance of smooth, flawless skin. Okay, I'm looking for that. Smooth, flawless skin. Okay. The second one says it creates a soft focus effect and leaves your skin complexion with a natural looking radiant finish. Okay. It's infused with tripeptides that refresh and revitalize the skin. It has like a little thing on the back here, like little pictures and stuff. But okay, I'm going for a natural looking finish. Okay. And radiant finish. Natural looking, it's kind of like, makes me think that it's not full coverage, but I don't know. I'm a full coverage kind of girl. For me, I prefer that, but I'm sure we can build it up. We'll see. But the price tag I got it for was amazing. $2.99 at Burlington. Yes, it was compared to $10.99 regularly at like NYX and Ulta and stuff. But I'm so excited to try this out for you guys, and I'll see you in the next scene so you can see my thoughts and see me put it on. Fair warning, I don't have any makeup on, so don't get scared. It's okay. It'll be alright. I'll see you guys in the next. Okay, so I'm just showing you the box right now, and my shade that I'm using is Sand Beige, so we're hoping that it's a batch. And I'm also showing you the tube that it comes in. It's just your typical squeeze tube, and here's a swatch on my hand. We'll see if it matches. Ooh, here's me, anxious. Oh, here's me forgetting I forgot to put on moisturizer. So I'm just going in with my Glam Glow moisturizer, covering that ugly pimple, hopefully. But yeah, I got it with an Ipsy bag, and I noticed right off the bat that this foundation has a paint smell to it. And also, it's kind of thick, as you can tell. It's a thick foundation, so you have to blend it, and it doesn't dry down fast, so that's a plus. So it's not like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This one, it takes a little bit of time to blend, but it's not drying, but it does feel heavy, which I kind of expected with it being like a camera kind of makeup. But it's blending out really nice so far on my face. I really like it. And it looks nice, I think, blending it out. Then we just gotta blend down our neck. It is a little see-through, so I could see where it says medium coverage. But you can layer this. This one you can put a little bit more on and it'll be fine. And now I'm going in with a brush on the other side, so we'll compare and contrast both sides. And I didn't think I put on enough on this first layer, because you know how brushes are, they soak up a lot of the product. So I put on a little too much on the second time. Ooh, zoom. See, but yeah, don't worry, we'll make it work though. We'll blend until our arms fall off. We gotta blend our makeup. You know. And the brush does make it look a little streaky, I noticed, but that's typical with brushes. You just gotta keep blending. See what I mean? I did prefer, honestly, the sponge side a little bit more, just because I thought it did give a little bit of a smoother finish. But here's both sides, you know. I like the sponge a little more, but it was a little bit of a lighter application. Could be that I put a little more on the other side, but here we go. You know, I thought the shade match wasn't too bad. And I will see you guys in the next scene. Alright, you guys, so this is all of it. This is after I put all of my makeup on, and I have some final thoughts about this foundation. Where did I put it? Okay, here we go. I absolutely like this so much right now. Like, it looks really good. I think it does what it promises. Sorry, I've got a little bit of a head cold, but it gives like awesome coverage for videos. This might be like what I use to make videos, because I like this one. See, this is what I use, is the Healthy Elixir one, CoverGirl, but that one's more natural. This one is like full glam,
glow, you know, look like a ball of sunshine, flawless. I have to say, I did end up using a little bit more on this side, on the brush side, but what else is new? But I really like this so far, but the real test is to see how long it lasts, because my skin is oily, for those of you who don't know, and sometimes I think I could fry chicken on my forehead with how oily it gets. This stuff was awesome, so I sprayed some on to give it a fighting chance, because I was like, girl, I like this foundation. I want to like this stuff, especially for the price that I got it for. But I'll like show you guys a little bit more up close and then try to show you in natural sunlight, and we'll call in check-in time at about 11:30, and I'll show you again at about around 3 just to see what's going on and if I like it, if I don't, or if you got a little bit of grease going on. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is in natural lighting, like right in front of my window, but I'm really liking this so far. Of course, like I put highlight on, so I got that one pimple right there. But I'll let you guys like be the judge so far. I think it looks amazing. I really like it. But yeah, like we'll see. We'll see. I really, really, really want this to work so bad. I really like this foundation so far. So I'll see you guys around 3.
I'm so sorry, you guys, but I have to show this in the bathroom. Check-in time is 3:30. It was too noisy to show it in daylight, but it's a little dry around here, around my mouth, but it still looks good. I don't really see any shine, and I'm out at a restaurant right now, but yeah, it still looks good at this time. I'm still digging it.
Hey you guys. Hi, so it is currently 5:30, like on the dot. I've been out running errands like all day and I just went and ate some food. But this makeup is staying really well. I've got like, I wouldn't even call that oil. I would call that just like, I don't know, where it's kind of settled into my skin. But it's not looking really shiny. I think it still looks really good. And I'm digging it. And that was like at check-in time was, my first check-in was 11:30. And sorry about the scene before. I was like out at a restaurant with my family, and of course the restaurant was noisy in like the restroom. And I'm about to bake a cake, so we'll see how that goes. Next guys in the next scene, and we'll see how this is holding up. I'm thinking I might powder just a little bit right here, you know, just a little bit. But other than I'll see you around 8 or midnight. Hey guys, it is about 9:30 at night, and I decided not to do midnight. I know that when I've done reviews in the past, I have done midnight, but I'm getting old now. I'm like, no, I'm not getting old. Well, I'm 20. I don't know if that's too old, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check in our situation, what's going on in our 5 head. You know, I've got a little bit of shine going on, I can tell, but it's not bad. Not at all. I am like in love with this foundation. I love this stuff. It is so good for like studio and camera makeup. It is, I would say it is on the more full coverage side. So if you're, you know, a natural girl or you're looking for something, maybe you could like add a little less, but this is like HD studio foundation. This is, you know, for those days you want to look, you know, put together, you want to get glam. But anyways, besides that, I'm ranting. I do notice like a little bit of dry spots right here, like, but that's kind of my own fault because it's winter here in Texas, and yeah, my skin is starting to get a little dry, but it honestly doesn't look too bad, and I can still go out in public like this. Like, look at that, my glow is still there, my highlight, my blush and bronzer. I am so impressed with this makeup. I really like it. And no chicken grease on the forehead. Yay! How awesome. I really like it. I really do. I know I said that like 5 times, but I actually really genuinely like this makeup. Honestly, I think I found a new favorite of mine. Yes, I like this makeup. I like it so much. Tell me what you guys think down below, if you tried it, or if you like it on me, or what you guys even want to watch next, like what you want me to do. I was gonna do a voiceover, like how my mom did my voiceover. I thought that would be cool, so you kind of get to meet her. Well, not meet her, but you know, hear her. Hear my mother. And yeah, I tried to get my brother to do it, but he don't want to do it. He's lame. If you're watching this, Just kidding. Thank you actually for supporting my channel. He supports my channel, and thank you for all of you who support me doing this. Yes, I love making videos for you guys, so thank you so much. And I'm giving a huge speech right now. As you can tell, I'm getting tired. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and like, y'all know me when it comes to foundation. I'm all about that cake. I like cake. I want the cake. I want it, you know, on there. Yeah, I like cake. But yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in there because I am more of a full coverage kind of person. A full coverage and have oily skin. Burlington, try this out. Try out their new foundations that they get, or if you see something, and just leave a comment down below. Let me know. All my love. So I'll see you guys soon, okay? Oh, is this thing recording? There we go. We gotta stop